Variables pointing to same point. This topic is a very common source of misunderstandings. When two array or ArrayList variables are set equal to each other, they are fundamentally linked. They both refer to the same set of values. In computer science, we say that they are both pointers, pointing to the same set of values. Any modification to that set of values affects all the variables that point to it. The only way to break that link is to assign an array or ArrayList variable to some other value. It is important to identify assignments of array variables versus modifications. Example to what I am discussing in terms of array modification is that in this example of code wherein there is an array A and array B, wherein we point now array A to B. So whatever the content of array A will also be the content of B. So when we release B of 2 or index 2, 7, we're replacing the value of this value of your array location 2 to 7, and that location 2 to 7 is 0, 1, 2. That is then the 7, the 30 will be replaced into 7. So in that case, when we display now A of I, that will give us a value of 10, 10, 20, 7, and 40. So let us see. There you have now A, we're calling the variable array A of I, and the value of our A of I is 10. We have 10, location index 0 of 10, location index of 1 is 2, and 7 is replaced to that of 30 because the value of our B is also the value of our A, and we release the command B of index 2, 7, which now replaces 30 into 7, and then 40. So this is an example of a pointer. Another example of sharing of modification in an array. So we have an array A, B, C. 3 array, but the value of our B is of the value of A. So whatever be the value of A, that would be the value also of B. So that means that if we modify B, it would immediately cascade that to A, or it will also change the value of A because we assign A to B and they are sharing now modification. So the topic here is sharing modification. So the value of our C is this one. We initialize it with values 4, 3, and 2. And we assign now also the value of C to B. And so whenever we change us now B, that would also change the value of our C. Alright, so we have values of our A is 10, 20, 30, and 40. And that would also the same value of our B. Values of our C are 4, 3, and 2. But at location 2 of B, we change it to 7. Therefore, this 0, 1, 2, 30 here will change to 7. Our value of C is our value of C is also pointed to B, so our B value also will change. Now if we will change B of index 1 that with 15, and knowing that we point C to B, that also changes the value of our C, making it location 1 change to 15. So because 4 is 0, location 0, and our 1 is 3. And we have this command line B of index 1, 15, that changes the value of C into 15. So let us see the result. So here we will display the value of our array from 0 to the length of our A, and we call now the value of our A. That makes it as 10, 20, and this will change to 7 because of this command. And then we have here, we're going to display also the value of C, which will be 4, and these 3 will change to 7, and then 2 because of this command. B of location 1 is equals to 15. So this is what we called sharing of modification. So there you have the value of our A, or as you can see here, we have 10, 20, 7, and 40. Alright, why is it 30 was replaced with 7? Because of this command line. And then our value of C changes from 432 into 415 and 2. Why it happens? Because of this command line. B of index 1, location 1 is equals to 15, which replaces now index 1 of B to 15. And that's why we have here a value of 4, 15, and 2. So this is now what we call as sharing of modification, and that happens because we assign values from that of your left to that of your right variable, assigning value from that of your left variable to that of your right variable to left variable.